Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a corned beef brisket in my slow cooker. So let's get cracking. I have a 4-pound corned beef brisket point cut here. And lately I've been having really good luck cooking meat in the slow cooker with no added liquid. I just stick it in a dry slow cooker and it's been turning out really well. So I'm going to try that with this. I don't really like those seasoning packets, so I'm going to get rid of that. And there's quite a bit of fat on top, but you know what, I don't really feel like trimming it, so I'm just going to put the whole thing in there as is. Now I really don't like the seasoning packets, so I'm using Johnny's seasoned pepper. This has no added salt. This is just pepper, sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion. So this is one of my favorite seasonings. If you've seen my videos lately, you've seen me use this a lot. So I'm just going to season this up, and I'm not sure the best way. I probably should put this in the pot with the fat side up, but I'm just going to put it in a dry slow cooker. I'm going to cook this on low, and I'm just going to keep an eye on it until it looks tender. It has been 10 hours, so let's check on this. I just went to bed and let that cook. So it's been in there 10 hours. I haven't checked it. Holy cow, look how tender that is. That fork just sinks right into it. Wow. Okay, I'm just going to shut it off and let it cool down for a little bit, and then we'll try it out. This is the longest I ever cooked one of these, so I'm really curious to see how it's going to be. It's been sitting for about an hour and cooling down, but see how much liquid it made on its own? I didn't put any liquid in that pot. All that is just it made on its own. So let me get this out of here, and that looks pretty good. All right, let's cut into this thing and see how it looks. Wow, look at that. Looks really, really tender. That looks really, really nice. Let's see. Wow, super juicy. Let's see. Oh, look at that. That is so tender. Look at that. Let's try a bite of it. Oh man, that just melts in your mouth. That is like the best corned beef I've ever cooked. Ready to try some corned beef, Annie? This is so good. You won't even have to chew this. That turned out so good. I'm really happy with that. And I think the thing with that is I was patient. I put it in there at night and went to bed, and that way I didn't, keep checking it and opening the lid. I never checked it at all. I just, when I got up in the morning, I checked it, and it was like super tender because, sometimes in the day you don't have the patience and you keep opening the lid and stuff, but that's the key right there. Just let it cook a long time and leave it alone. That was 10 hours, and that was by far the best brisket that I've ever cooked. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time.